Hi, today's session is spontaneous heating. A spontaneous heating means the oxidation of any coal or carbonaceous substances. There are various stages of heating. First stage, or we can call it initial stage. This is start from faint haze smelling. The question will be asked from that side that the initial stage of spontaneous heating is sweating. Okay, faint haze, you may be asked by faint haze or by sweating. So surely you have to preserve that sweating is the initial stage of spontaneous heating or heating. Secondly, there is moisture deposition. Then faint odor in the third stage. Faint odor converts as gob stink. Now the question will be asked from that side that gob stink is what? You have to preserve it that gob stink is the mixture of CO, CO2, water vapor, and along with little bit stink damp called H2S. Here the intermediate stage is before initial stage. There is cricket sound and insect chirping sound will also comes under initial stage. Now intermediate stage. On intermediate stage there are various signs and symbols as just whatever seen in initial stage that will becomes under intermediate stage also same. Besides that, there is petrol like odor comes. Petrol like odor comes and on the beginning of distillation of coal. And finally the last stage of heating and this approach to fire also. There are very signs and symbols are seen here. Petrol like odor converts to tarry odor. And also known as fire stink. This is fire stink created by distillation of coal. All this phenomenon we will see here in only on coal, because this is the channel based on coal mining and mining also. And finally the further accumulation of heat leads to or deposition of heat leads to appearance of smoke and it catches fire. There are various points like deficiency of CO by O2. The various percentage relates 0.1 to 0.5% of grams ratio indicates normal to coal mine. 1% indicates indicates existence of heating. 1% only indicates existence of heating. 2% indicates heating in advanced stage. 2% of Graham's ratio, CO by O2 deficiency percentage of 2 indicates heating in advanced stage. And beyond that, 3% indicates 3% or more CO by O2 deficiency percentage indicates active fire. So thanks, I have completed my session. Continue watching for further more updates.